Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you are creating something amazing. I'm popping on real quick. This is a different kind of video. I'm packing up some stuff for an event that I have next weekend. Today is September 7th, Sunday. So my event is next weekend on the 13th. So I wanted to jump on real quick and do a quick sale. It's not a live sale. However, I am providing a link below so that you can claim the items that you would like off my website. It's all the information will be in the details below. It'll show you what product to look for, and all you got to do is select the item based on the number that I have here, and you'll see how it goes. Just give me a few minutes and you'll get the flow of it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It helps the channel, and if you want to see any videos that I'm going to do coming up, go ahead and click that notification button and comment below and let me know what you think about this format. I plan on doing several more over the next few months leading up to Christmas. All right, here we go. First thing is we have 2 pair of post-back earrings, and there's a link below. Once you get to that link on my website, look for the item named below, and then that number right there, 252. If you want these 2 pair of earrings, these are $10, and it's number 252. Go ahead and pull up the shopping cart and drop it in your box. Everything that I'm about to show you, there's only one available. And like I said, I'll be doing this format a couple of times over the next several months, so you might be able to snatch something up if you don't get anything this time. Number 252, $10. Go ahead and grab yours. This one is number 1040. This one has some brown and metallic. These are post back as well. The pictures are pretty up close on the website, so if you can't see them really good here, go ahead and click the link below. Claim number 240. That's $10. 2 pair for $10. Okay. Here's another pair, 2 for $10. Post back. First few I'm showing you are going to be post back. Number 370. 2 pair for $10. These are pastel colored fabric covered wood pieces with a resin coating to make it nice and shiny, and that's number 370, $10 for the 2 pair of post back earrings. Let me see that first one. Let me go back. Number 252 should have been 3 pair for $13. Sorry. 252 is $13. You'll see it on the link on the website. 3 pair for $13, number 252. Here's another one, denim, number 378. These are 2 pair, post back. You got the heart shape and an abstract shape. $10, 2 pair for $10, 378. Number 347, another pair of post back. 2 pair for $10. Number 347, click the link below and grab yours. It's only one available of each one that I'm showing you. 347, $10. Number 369, 2 more post back. This one's a heart shape, oval shape, 2 pair, 369, $10. And the last 2-piece set that I have here for $10 is 249, 2 hearts, black and white, post back, $2.49, $10 for 2 pair. And here's another 3 pair. This one's number 380. Post back. This is another pair of 3 for $13. Click the link below. There's only one set available. 3 for $13. Number 380. All right. Now we're going to get into a couple of different pairs of earrings. Let's see. Oh, these are also post back. This pair right here, each one coming up, $10 each. You've got the metallic steampunk inside triangle, $2.75. That's a $10 pair of earrings. Click the link below and you can claim that one. Another post back pair, number 251. Let me move this out so you can see. Metallic paint with a black background. That's $251, $10 for this one pair. Another pair with metallic paint. That's $314. It's got the wood stain backing with metallic paint. This is another post back, number 314. That is $10. This one is more of a rainbow colored. You've got metallics in there. You've got red, green, black, and white. That's a post back as well. Number 248. That's $10. Number 239. Another post back, a different kind of steampunk on the hexagon shape, $10. Another triangle steampunk, $244, $10 for that earring. Another post back. And the final post back earring that I'm going to show you today for $10 is number 328, and that's a black background with metallic paints. You got silver, gold, and copper. $10 for that post back earring. All right, now we're going to dig into some fishhook earrings, and these are all, like I said, one of a kind and only one available. Now, I just made these. I'm trying to give you guys an option to go ahead and snatch these up before I take them out to the market. These are very popular. These are my Nubian Queen earrings, and they have the red, green, and black. Number 194. These are $15. They're going to the market with me, and they will be selling for $20. So you're getting $5 off if you order through this video ahead of my event. So this is $15. Everything that I'm about to show you moving forward is going to be $15. Number 194. Click the link below and grab that one. That's $15. $5 off on this video. And the next one, you've got the metallic rainbow flame earrings. Look at these. And they are double-sided. Check that out. Beautiful. $163. These are $15. $163. $15 for those. Again, this is going to the market, and I am selling them for $20. So you're going to get $5 off if you order them through this video. Click the link below so you can claim that. Another one. This is a larger pair of the Nubian Queen earrings. If you look, these are smaller. See the difference in size? Still, today, right here, right now, $15. And she's got a beautiful headband on, which is rhinestone. So go ahead and claim that for $15. Number 140. Click the link below so you can claim it. Here's another Nubian Queen. She's got purple, green, and blue. And she's got some dangling earrings. $15 for number 171. Click the link below so you can claim this one. $15 for this one. Moving right along, number 322. We've got the African colors. This is a post-back earring. Number 322, that's $15. Click the link below to grab yours. I have one more after this one. Check out these beautiful leaves. These are sublimation with my own print. I created the print there. If you are interested in having this print, let me know. I can show you where you can find it. This is number 180, and that is $15. $15 for that beautiful set. Number 180, $15. Here's my final earring for this video. It's another Nubian queen, number 333. She's got the gold, the bronze, and the copper on her head wrap. $15, number 333. Now all of these earrings are going with me to the market next weekend on the 13th. This video, as long as the items are available, the link will be active. But if you do not see the item that you want, that means that someone has already claimed it. There's only one of each item that I have shown you. Click the link below. It'll take you to my website. Then all you have to do is click the drop down and you'll find your item and you can put it in your shopping cart and check out. As soon as you have checked out, I'll get a notification and I will have your beautiful item shipped out to you within 2 business days. All right, guys, I want to thank you for joining me, and hopefully you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.